Go ahead and power the machine up. Power is applied. Working around the back gauge motor. Retract for the back gauge to go up and go down. Oil system's intact. All lines on the hydraulic system appear to be in good shape. The accumulator needs to be replaced. It's got fresh oil in it. We pumped it in, and the filter was cleaned, not replaced. Coming around to the front of the machine, we've got some basic controls here. We have a power knife clearance, material support, material thickness adjustment for the automatic adjustment of the blade gap. We have the material length adjustment, the light, the mode selector, which is off, inch, single, and continuous. We'll leave it in single. The operator control, on and off. Start, stop of the main motor, gauge up and down, and then we have the control, which is the digital gauge controller. We'll start the motor. Motor comes on. We'll start off by, I'll pause real quick. The control here, we've got a power knife clearance, material support. We have the material thickness and stroke length. Light, mode selector, which we tested. Operator control on and off, start and stop switch. On the power knife, we don't have a key, but if I select it, you can see on the side there, the knife adjusts in, and it adjusts out. And what that's doing is it's opening the table up as the wedges go in and out. Coming over here to the back gauge. The back gauge is currently at 20 inches. If I command it to 10 inches, hit enter, and it starts. Gauge comes in. Back around to the front, looking at the cylinders. Cylinders are intact. I don't see any leaks. The hoses look like they're in good shape, and the end coater is securely attached. If I do the material length adjustment, I'm going to go ahead and adjust it down to 4. Right now we're full length. So once I cycle it here, it only returns halfway, 4 feet. So the material length is working. We're going to bring it back to 12 inches. It should come all the way up. It did. Now it's up on this side. This is the material thickness. That adjusts my reg angle, which is functioning, working. Back to the gauge again. If I come into 5 inches, enter, start. Gauge comes in. Gauge is at 5 inches. Machine stroke. Main power goes